All right, welcome to Aesthetica. I'm Dr. DeLange, and this is a short tutorial on abdominoplasty drain care. It's a pretty important part of the procedure, and it's very simple to take care of, but there are certain rules that you have to abide by. Now, I don't use a drain for all my patients, probably about 3/4 of them. I can use a glue called tissue glue instead, or sometimes the smaller ones don't need it. But generally, I like a drain. Keeps the skin sucked into the muscles, so it decreases the chance of a fluid collection or a seroma. Usually 6 to 7 days, sometimes a little bit longer, is how long the drain stays in, and we shoot for 30 cc's over 24 hours. And I'll show you a couple things. So if you can come down here a second. So here's the drain. It goes from here all the way to there. It doesn't hurt at all. And this is the Jackson Pratt bowl. Works on suction. So a couple things that are important. One is it's fully squeezed, and the cap goes on. That's what it looks like. And then you just clip it on to the underwear or to the garment, and then you strip it once in a while, especially the first couple of days. You just take your finger, slide it down, gets any old blood clots out of there. After a couple of days, it's purely just healing fluid, and this is the fluid that we like to see after a couple of days and the blood is all gone. Our end point is when the drain puts out 30 cc's or less over 24 hours. It's got clear marks, and she's at 27 hours now, and it's under 25, so now it's ready to come out. And it's extremely simple. People get all concerned about it. It's not a big deal at all. All we do is take out a little stitch that's holding it in, slide the drain out, don't even feel it, put a Band-Aid on it, and it's all fixed. So those are important things. So keep that in mind for drain care, and it'll be a simple process. And once it's less than 30 cc's an hour, then we can take care of it for you. So any questions, call the nurses here at Aesthetica or myself, and we'll walk you through it. But those are some key things about drain care.